Hello and welcome to today's pumpkin tutorial. I'm starting with a magic ring, chain 2 and 10 double crochet into this ring. Close this ring with a slip stitch in the 4th stitch, chain 3, one double crochet in the same stitch with the chain, and now we double up, 2 double crochet in each stitch. And then close this round with a slip stitch in the 4th stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 1. In the next stitch, 2 single crochet. The next stitch, 2 single crochet. Next stitch, 2 half double crochet. Next stitch, 2 half double crochet. Next stitch, 2 double crochet. Next stitch, 2 double crochet. Next stitch, 2 half double crochet. Half double crochet. Next stitch, 2 half double crochet. Next stitch, two single crochet, and in the next stitch a slip stitch. The next stitch, two single crochet, the next stitch, two half double crochet, next stitch, two half double crochet, next stitch, two double crochet, next stitch, two double crochet, next stitch, two half double crochet, next stitch, two half double crochet, next stitch, two single crochet, next stitch, two single crochet, and a slip stitch in the next stitch. So we have a slight opening for the stem. So from here we're starting with the surface slip stitches. So I'm turning my pumpkin and place the first stitch right here on this inner round. So I go into my stitch, pull my yarn through, and then go in the next stitch, pull my yarn through, always placing the next stitch on this round. So those stitches should not be too tight, but that they look even, not too tight and not too loose. And then we just go on this round and create a circle. All the way to the beginning. So one more right in the middle. And then from here, this one is a bit big. And from here, you turn your pumpkin in your hand and then you place the first stitch on the second round, like this. And then you do the same with this round. Place your stitches on there and go on until you hit the middle here where we set the slip stitch, and then you place your next stitches down to and going towards that slip stitch, and then you turn and then you go back up with one stitch and set your next one back on that round. To finish with the circle. Once you hit the center, you place your next stitch in between this opening and where we just finished our circle, and then the next one right into the center, and another one in between, and then down to the slip stitch. And then you can cut off the end. And now we switch the color for the stem and place it right in between. So I'm starting right here. Place my yarn, pull it through once or two. I do it here to combine those. Go in the next stitch, like places a single crochet, and then I go in the next stitch, pull through, and go in the next, pull through, and then I pull through the 3 loops, and then I chain 4, in the first stitch, single crochet, in the second stitch, single crochet, and right here I place a single crochet, and then I go down here and place a slip stitch. and I pull it tight. Make a knot. And hide it. And there is the pumpkin. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give it a like or subscribe. And I hope I see you next time on the hook. Thank you for watching and bye bye.